Alright, today is March the 20th. I am getting a loud buzzing noise once again. You can hear it. It's right under the driver's seat this time. I took it out just so you can hear it. It's like a buzzing sound. It's coming right under here. I'm not really sure what it is, but it is extremely loud. I'm not sure what that is, but you can hear it. Now, I can actually hear it. I can hear it on both sides of the car. I can actually hear it on the driver's side and the passenger side and the rear seats right here. It is so loud, so loud. It just randomly came up right under the seat. Please look into it. If you can explain to me or how to fix this, that would be great. Again, today is March 20th.